How to install the TruCUT-Lite 400x300 desktop laser engraver. This machine comes standard with a rotary unit and a 40-watt laser tube. So the laser tube is already pre-installed and you don't have to do anything here. Just make sure not to tamper with the tube. At the back of the machine there are 3 protruding pipes. Water inlet, which means water into the tube, water outlet, which means water out of the tube, and air inlet. Water going into the tube comes from the submersible pump, so the water pipe coming from the water inlet goes into the submersible pump. Also, just remember that different submersible pumps have different fittings. And the water outlet pipe goes into a water bucket. Then you must submerge the submersible pump fully into the water bucket. It must be fully covered with water. The remaining pipe is the air inlet and it goes into the air pump. Take the power supply of the submersible pump and the air pump and plug them into the power unit of the machine. Now fit the extraction hose onto the fan outlet and stretch it away from your working environment. The rotary unit that comes with the machine is next. Remove the side panel and unplug the Y-axis connection over here. And then plug the rotary connection in its place. Now connect your computer to the machine and plug the software dongle into your computer because the software won't work without it. And there you go. You're ready to enjoy your 400x300 desktop laser engraver.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Khumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine, I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.